Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi pushing out 395 horsepower and 410 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Running boards. Black leather interior. Four by 4 Dodge badging, bed cover, clean set of floor mats, plenty of space in the back, trailer hitch, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated seats, heated steering wheel. This Dodge has 57,000 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Dodge 1500, check out feldmanimports.com.